Add program, select. You can select from here different computer, different models, but actually I'm not connected to my printer, so that's why it's just L396. You can leave it auto selection, or you can, if you know you have to select your port, I'll leave it in auto selection. Okay, and then particular adjustment mode. Now you have to do what? You can just click on waste and pick ink pad counter. Okay, click on ink pad counter. Okay, and what you have to do, main pad counter. Okay, check, click check. Communication error, actually I'm not connected to computer. Initialize, and when the OK button is clicked, counter will be reset. So select OK, and now still again it's telling me it's communication error. Okay, that's it. You can finish it. Okay, and you can close it from here, and you can go to previous, and you can click quite. It's okay. That's great, bro.